So I just got done with my first ever 80% low receiver. You can see it now. It's not too bad. Needs to go a little deeper there. Yeah, definitely need to go way deeper there. It's pretty good. 4 holes, 3 holes. 3 holes here. Besides that one I forgot to account for this right here. I guess I'm gonna have to drill deeper. But other than that, it's perfect. It's smooth. It's pretty great. There's only one little low spot over there, right on the right side. You can see it. And that's pretty decent as well. I guess I can get that with the drill press or the Dremel or something. Make it smooth as well. Trigger hole. Not sure. That's pretty great. So, got the polymer80 jig. That's a 3D printed lower. I was using that for a reference. This is my setup. An old drill from I don't even know what year the drill press is from. Like, it's at least 70 years old. It has stuff about US Navy property. And then I got this huge vise from just out in the middle of nowhere. I had to carry it. I used a vehicle, but it's still very heavy, and I had to put it on the vehicle, which is very hard to do. It's quite heavy. It's not fun to carry around, pick it up, move it around from this place to this place to down there. Not fun at all. Clamps, jig, much more. What am I gonna say? I have no idea what I was gonna say. Yeah, jigs are useful. Very useful, very nice to have. Those jigs that came with the kit. I had to put the lower in the jig, and the jig up here because it wouldn't fit because of the things right there and right there. I had to put this on top of it. Originally tried to put that on top of it. That was too thick. I had to put this on top of it, and I had to squeeze it, slide it into here, get it right in there, turn it on, lower this to the correct height, lock it in place with this. That's how you lock it. And then I had to push this back and forth like a stone, just getting it all even. Which, surprisingly, it's actually pretty even for just pushing this. You know, you'd think it would tilt a lot, but no, it's fairly even. I actually oiled it. That's how annoying it is to move. Got the end mill bit right here. Pretty good because they have it marked right here to show you how deep to go, which is why this lower is pretty much perfect on depth, except when I went down a little too far when I wasn't paying attention right there. But that was only for a second, you know. I was just kind of, I was going down, pulling the lever down a little too fast, and I went a little too far. It's pretty good. I think this might actually work somehow, surprisingly. Yeah, I'm not going to keep it pink. I'm going to spray paint it. Definitely going to change it. Yeah, lots of zip ties, clamps. Actually, I think I'm going to do more work on this. Fix up that right there. All right, bye.